Hi there, Ramon Valeriano here with the Irish Group powered by LPT Realty. I want to introduce you to Cedar Brook. We're currently here in their model home with our partner in crime, Lauren Helge.
Yes. Hi guys, Lauren here with MI Homes. Super excited to tell you about Cedar Brook. We're a boutique style community here in Leander. We have both inventory and buildable options, so you can really kind of customize to your unique needs. So this is our Brahmin floor plan. This is about 2441 square feet. It's a 4-bed, 2.5 bath plus a study. This is a super functional 2-story plan. People absolutely love this plan. It's the first time it's been a model home. It's got the volume ceilings that open to below, some really amazing upgrades in this plan. Works really well for families and is a great use of space. So when you build a home with MI Homes, you'll have both structural and design options. The structural options really change the layout of the home. So for example, turning the study into a bedroom, adding a bay window into the owner's suite. And then of course in the design center, you get to pick the colors and upgrades of everything in the design center. So that's the super fun appointment where you get to pick your tile and your countertops and your cabinets, all those fun little details that really make the home feel like yours.